How to fix Valorant Error Code WAN 81? First step, open Riot client, click profile icon, click settings. This page will appear. In this, click Valorant, scroll down, click repair and start repair. Wait for some time. Once the repair complete, after it will throw up the message successfully repaired. Click OK, close it. Next step, search for Windows Defender Firewall. Click it. Click Allow an app or features through Windows Defender Firewall. Click Change Settings. Scroll down and search for Riot Client and Valorant. It should be enabled in both private and public. Make sure it. Both Riot Client and Valorant should enable in both private and public. If it's not enabled means you can enable it. If the application not having means click Allow another app. Click Browse. Go to Riot Games. Click Valorant. You get the Valorant application. Click Riot Client. You get the Riot Client application. Click it and add it. Click Add in the bottom side and enable in both private and public and click OK in the bottom side. Next step, right click Riot Client, click Properties, click Compatibility, enable Run the program as administrator, click Apply and OK. Right click Valorant, click Properties, click Compatibility, run the program as administrator, click Apply and OK. Next step, search for Run and type the following text services.msc, click OK. Scroll down and search for VGC services. Right click it, click Properties. The startup type should be in automatic and the service status should be in running mode. Click Apply and OK. And the next step, open up Riot Client, click Profile icon, click Account Settings. Then you need to log in. This page will appear. In this you need to click Log out of everywhere and click Confirm. Successfully log out. Close it. Next step, click Settings. Click Network and Internet Settings. Click Advanced Network Settings. Click Network Reset and click Reset now. Thank you.